All right. Welcome to Taco Burger News, your premier station for gaming news and gaming everything. So, first up in the news today is the Epic Games and Google settlement. So, Google will slash its service fees for most developers to a max of 9% to 20%, down from the standard 30%. Payment freedom. Developers can now steer customers to alternative non-Google payment systems. And that pay Google nothing if the customer chooses that option. Google must streamline the installation of rival app stores like mobile Epic Games and globally making it a single neutral prompt instead of a friction-filled process. So this is definitely a pretty awesome thing. A big win for Fortnite. And definitely, I remember when this first started a long time ago and continued on, but now things seem to be at a point where they've come to agreements and stuff. So that's always good when you're able to come to agreement about things. How do you feel about it? How do you feel about the Epic Games Google settlement? Are you excited about it? I know it doesn't really affect you as a gamer too much, but just what does it mean for those of you who might be developers? So just let me know. Another interesting is the PlayStation Portal cloud streaming. The device can now stream select PS5 games you own directly from the cloud without needing your home PS5 console to be turned on or initiate the stream. Subscription is required. You must have a PlayStation Plus premium subscription to use this new feature. This update also introduces a Passcode Lock, 3D audio support, and a completely redesigned UI and dedicated cloud streaming and remote play tabs. So that's actually pretty cool. I do a lot of work with I used to play a lot of Xbox Cloud gaming, so I'm pretty sure they're using some of Microsoft's technology to pull this off. It's interesting it's only select games. I wonder which ones are the ones that they chose. But at any rate, yeah, get in the comments about how you feel about this. Have you tried out the Portal Cloud streaming? Is it something that you use a lot? I hadn't really tried it out, but I might have to give it a try. Next up in the news is the Fable manga build roguelike launch. So this combat system involves collecting manga panels and arranging them on a page each turn to create your action sequence. Damage is visually represented as holes in the page where you cannot place new panels. It blends tactical puzzles, turn-based roguelike action, and deck building. A highly stylish pixel art aesthetic inspired by hit Japanese manga, The Fable. So that's actually pretty interesting. I was trying to search for this game on the Xbox store, and for some reason it was not coming up. I'm a big fan of indie games, so I definitely would love to get a hold of something like this. Not only am I a fan of indie games, but I'm a fan of manga and anime and all types of shit like that. So a nice little video game based around that. That's like kind of like a puzzle manga build type game is actually like right up my alley. So I'll continue to look for it, and who knows? I might even look into a review of it. See what I can do with a review. But anyway, that is the gaming news for today. So if you have any comments, please get down there with it in the comments. How do you feel about the Portal? How do you feel about Epic Games lawsuit? How do you feel about PlayStation Portal cloud streaming? Will you be playing that? And are you interested in the Fable manga build roguelike game? I'm probably going to give that a try as soon as I find it. But at any rate, thanks for watching. This has been your boy Taco Burger, and I'm out.